Mr. Brown finds himself wrestling with a heavy heart, fearing the possibility of losing Colby. To him, Colby isn't just a pet. He represents a cherished part of the family, a vital thread woven into the fabric of their home life, filled with laughter and joy. As Mr. Brown reflects on his journey, he recalls the moment he discovered the paternity issue that left him in turmoil. He shares the emotional roller coaster of working hard to maintain custody of Colby, navigating a maze of legal hurdles and emotional challenges that seem to grow with each passing day. Meanwhile, Miss Stewart opens up about her past, admitting to infidelity and unveiling the complicated timeline of her relationship with Mr. Brown. This revelation complicates things even further, as it raises questions about the paternity of their beloved child and adds tension to an already fraught situation. To make matters even more complex, the process of obtaining a DNA test becomes tangled in existing child support claims. The confusion surrounding the responsibilities and rights of the biological father showcases the pitfalls of a bureaucratic system that often seems overwhelming to those who find themselves in such heart-wrenching situations. The emotional connections between families complicate legal proceedings deeply. A girlfriend's heartfelt testimony about her partner's role in raising the child highlights just how personal these stakes can be, reminding us that behind every legal document lies a story filled with love and longing. As the story unfolds, it becomes clearer that custody laws can often create a rift between legal and biological parentage. This distinction complicates the dynamics of parental rights and responsibilities, bearing heavy implications for child support obligations that could ripple through generations. At the heart of it all lies the importance of parental rights, underscoring the critical notion that mothers should possess equal rights in custody decisions. The powerful emotional connections to their children play an undeniable role in these disputes, shaping the narratives of their lives. When DNA testing reveals unexpected truths, it sends shockwaves through relationships and responsibilities alike. Such revelations can dramatically alter existing custody arrangements, raising an entire ocean of questions regarding the child's future and the bonds within their family. The emotional fallout from the DNA results can be utterly heartbreaking, revealing the pain of lost connections. Adding to the distress, the slow-moving court system adds weight to the hearts of all involved, deepening the sense of uncertainty and anxiety that accompanies these life-altering revelations. In a world where the relationship between Georgie and Xavier was limited, uncertainty loomed large over their connection. Georgie's doubts about his paternity meant he had only met Xavier a few times, and this uncertainty inevitably influenced the depth of his emotional bond with the child. Tragedy strikes when Georgie passes away, complicating matters further as both potential fathers of Xavier have been lost to time. This leaves unanswered questions about paternity, casting a long shadow over the families involved and stirring their emotions in profound ways. The struggle of Xavier's mother in explaining his father to him highlights the emotional turmoil brought on by unresolved paternity questions. For a child, this inquiry into identity and belonging can be a daunting journey, one laden with confusion and longing for answers. To avoid such prolonged confusion, the importance of timely communication regarding paternity cannot be overstated. Early discussions could have helped clear the air, allowing relationships to be defined with clarity and compassion, ultimately easing the emotional burden on everyone involved. In a touching moment, a video capturing a child's interaction with what they perceive as a spirit showcases the strong emotional ties and beliefs that individuals maintain even after a loss. Such experiences can shape the family narrative, adding layers to the stories we tell our children. Finally, the aftermath of a DNA test revealing no biological relationship can lead to deep heartbreak and regret. It highlights the profound need for clarity in familial ties, a foundation that fosters healthy relationships, crucial for nurturing the love and support our families deserve.